Hello everyone, I'm glad to welcome you to our channel. Today I want to share with you our version of the extremely pretty and popular cake design with frosting waves and waffle butterflies. I love this decor for its spectacular appearance and simplicity in making. By changing the color of the frosting and the decor of the butterflies, you can change the tone of the cake. It can become bright and cheerful, restrained and concise, or for example, cute and cozy. So let's get started. Place a well-cooled crumb-coated cake on a turntable. Apply cream cheese with a spatula. I use butter-based cream cheese. I don't like to use ganache with this decor since it hardens very quickly and the edges of the waves can come out torn. Besides, attaching beads to hardened ganache is a very time-consuming task. You can cover the cake any way you like, but to get waves, the layer of frosting has to be at least half a centimeter thick. After applying the frosting, proceed to smoothing it out. By the way, very soon on our channel you will be able to find a video in which we will show and describe in detail all the secrets to a perfectly smooth cake. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss it. If the cake board slides on the turntable, put a slightly damp towel or napkin underneath. This design does not require sharp corners and is very quick and simple to create. All you need is practice. To make this decor, you will need a spatula or teaspoon. Press the tip of the spatula or teaspoon lightly into the center of the cake and rotate the turntable, thus creating a spiral. For making waves, the perfect tool will be a small, lightweight scraper. Keep your wrist relaxed the whole time you're doing this, as if you're playing the piano. Lightly press the bottom corner of the scraper into the cake. It's important that you press only the bottom corner in. This is what will create the relief. The top corner should not touch the cake. Rotate the cake, making wave-like movements with your hand gradually moving upwards. Adjust the pressure of the scraper to leave such a wave behind. If something goes wrong, don't worry, any mistake can be corrected. For instance, here there wasn't enough frosting and the wave came out deformed. In this case, clean the scraper off, cover the place with frosting from the scraper with the help of a spatula, and continue creating the design. If you're still not satisfied with the result, you can cover and smooth out the cake once more and try again. Clean the frosting off of the cake board and enjoy the result. We will decorate the cake with waffle butterflies and rice puff beads. Unlike sugar beads, rice puff beads are soft and minimize the risk of tooth damage. Let's start with the butterflies. Butterflies made of waffle paper are quite fragile. To not break their wings, use tweezers. They also absorb moisture quite quickly, so any contact with the frosting can make them deform or melt. To prevent this, don't stick them in to the very end. There should be a small, barely noticeable distance between them and the cake. By the way, there is a lesson on how to make waffle butterflies on our channel. You can find the link in the description below this video. Look at what airiness and lightness the butterflies give to the cake. They look as if they're about to fly up and away. And now for the final touch, the beads. Attaching them to cream cheese is sheer pleasure. If we had covered the cake with ganache, we would have to attach each bead onto melted chocolate. Now your cake is ready. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful for you. Feel free to leave topic suggestions for new videos in the comments section. Bye bye and see you soon.